Control Air Portugal 208 Heavy. We are crossing 1,500.
Air Portugal 208 Heavy departure, good evening, radar contact, turn left. Heading 120, climb maintain 12,000.
Left 120, we have to return back. We hit something and we have to return back to New York. Turning left, heading 120, can we maintain 3,000?
Portugal 208 Heavy, roger, altitude your discretion, maintain 3,000, Kenny altimeter 3028.
3028, maintain 3,000, and we are on heading 120, stand by. Control Air Portugal 208 Heavy.
Yes sir, go ahead.
We don't know, but at the takeoff, something hit the aircraft after takeoff. We don't know, perhaps on the engine or on the wing. We request the runway 22 left for landing with the radar vectors, please.
Portugal 208 Heavy, thank you. You are cleared to Kennedy Airport via radar vectors. Expect ILS runway 22 left approach.
Copy that. It's normal pressure. We are not on emergency, okay?
Okay, roger, very good. I still will need the souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
Okay, we've got in kilos 38.3 tons, and we are going to land overweight.
I'm sorry, say the souls again one more time.
Salt, it's souls on board, stand by. Souls on board 267.
267, okay, very good. And the tower will declare an emergency for you because I'm sure you're going to be an overweight landing, correct, on 22 left?
Yes, but we are not in an emergency, it's just an overweight landing.
Sir, okay, the tower still designates that as an emergency landing, so they will have the trucks rolled for you.
Oh, very well. Do you want us to keep this heading for the time being?
Are you ready to come back in, sir, or do you need some delay vectors to set up?
Just a longer final.
It's a longer final. Okay, very good. Air Portugal 208 Heavy, turn left heading 060. It'll be approximately a 15-mile final. Does that work?
060, I'll call you ready for the approach. Air Portugal 208 Heavy.
Okay, very good. Heading 060, maintains 3,000, and ATIS information Sierra is current.
Copy that.
Air Portugal 208 Heavy, just confirm your fuel and your pounds. You said it's in kilos, correct?
Affirmative, in kilos. We have now 38 and 200 kilos.
Okay, very good. Then just let me know if you need anything else. Speed is your discretion, sir.
Okay, we'll do that. Portugal 208 Heavy.
Portugal 208 Heavy, sliding 360, and contact New York approach 125.7.
360, 1257, bye-bye, Portugal 208 Heavy.
Yep.
New York approach, good evening, Air Portugal 208 Heavy, heading north for landing ILS 22 left.
Portugal 208 Heavy, roger, speed is your discretion.
Thank you. Is ILS switched on?
Affirmative.
The Portugal 208 Heavy, ready for the approach?
Portugal 208 Heavy, roger, speed 180.
Speed 180, Portugal 208 Heavy.
Air Portugal 208 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower at 119.1.
Kennedy Tower 119.1, Air Portugal 208 Heavy, bye.
Yes.
Air Portugal 208 Heavy, Kennedy Tower?
Yes, we are with you, full tower on localizer Air Portugal 208 Heavy.
Air Portugal 208 Heavy, wind 240 at 7, you're 4.5 miles in trail of an A321, runway 22 left, third line.
Good line, 122 left, Air Portugal 208 Heavy.
Air Portugal 208 Heavy, emergency equipment is standing by.
Okay, Air Portugal 208 Heavy.